Imagine a life where every memory, every cherished moment, slowly fades away, slipping through your fingers like sand. Dementia is a devastating condition that affects millions worldwide, robbing people of their memories, their independence, and their very sense of self. But what if we told you that something as simple as your diet could be a crucial factor in preventing this heartbreaking condition? Welcome to Levitas. The human brain is an incredible organ, responsible for everything we do, from our thoughts and memories to our movements and emotions. But like any organ in the body, the brain requires proper nutrition to function optimally. The food we eat provides the essential nutrients that fuel our brain cells, supporting cognitive functions such as memory, focus, and learning. Without the right nutrients, our brain's ability to perform these critical functions can decline over time, leading to conditions like dementia. Proper nutrition not only helps maintain the structure and function of brain cells but also protects them from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Diets rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals have been shown to support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. So, what you eat today significantly impacts your brain's health tomorrow, making it essential to focus on nutrient-rich foods that nourish your brain and keep it sharp as you age. Hypochlorhydria, or low stomach acid, is a condition that can have a profound impact on your overall nutritional state. Stomach acid plays a critical role in breaking down food, allowing your body to absorb essential nutrients like proteins, vitamins, and minerals. When stomach acid levels are low, the digestive process becomes less efficient, leading to poor absorption of key nutrients. This can result in various nutrient deficiencies, even if you're eating a healthy diet. Over time, these deficiencies can contribute to a range of health issues, including cognitive decline. For example, low stomach acid can impair the absorption of vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient for brain health, potentially increasing the risk of dementia. It's important to recognize the signs of hypochlorhydria, such as bloating, indigestion, and nutrient deficiencies, and take steps to address the issue before it leads to more severe health problems. Hypochlorhydria is pretty common, and can be caused by various factors, many of which become more prevalent as we age. One common cause is the natural decline in stomach acid production that occurs with aging. As we get older, our body's ability to produce stomach acid diminishes, making it harder to digest food and absorb nutrients. Another significant cause is chronic stress, which can suppress stomach acid production and impair digestion. Additionally, certain medications, such as proton pump inhibitors, used to treat acid reflux, can reduce stomach acid levels over time. Food also plays a role. Diets high in processed foods and low in nutrient-dense whole foods can lead to hypochlorhydria. Other contributing factors include H. pylori infection, which can damage the stomach lining and reduce acid production, and the lack of adequate minerals like zinc, which are necessary for stomach acid production. What are the 6 devastating nutrient deficiencies linked to dementia? Nutrient deficiencies are increasingly recognized as significant contributors to cognitive decline and dementia. Here are 6 key nutrient deficiencies that have been linked to an increased risk of dementia. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells and producing DNA. A deficiency in B12 can lead to neurological issues, including memory loss and cognitive decline, which are hallmark symptoms of dementia. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in brain function. Low levels of vitamin D have been associated with an increased risk of developing dementia, as it is involved in neuroprotection and reducing inflammation in the brain. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats, particularly DHA, is vital for brain health. Omega-3s support the structure of brain cells and protect against cognitive decline. Deficiencies in omega-3s have been linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those that regulate brain function. Low magnesium levels can lead to increased brain inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to dementia. Folate is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, as well as neurotransmitter function. A deficiency in folate can result in elevated homocysteine levels, which have been associated with an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Iron is essential for oxygen transport in the blood, and it also plays a role in brain function. Low iron levels can lead to anemia, which reduces the oxygen supply to the brain and can contribute to cognitive impairment and dementia. These nutrient deficiencies can have a profound impact on brain health, increasing the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Ensuring that your diet provides adequate levels of these essential nutrients is crucial for maintaining cognitive function and preventing dementia. What are the best sources for these nutrients? To protect your brain and reduce the risk of dementia, it's essential to ensure you're getting enough of the nutrients we mentioned. Here are the best sources of each nutrient and recommendations on how much to have. The best sources of vitamin B12 include animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those following a plant-based diet, nutritional yeast and supplements are recommended. The daily recommended intake for adults is 2.4 micrograms. While sunlight is the most natural source of vitamin D, it can also be found in foods like fatty fish, mushrooms, and egg yolks. Supplements may be necessary, especially in regions with limited sunlight. The recommended daily intake is 600 to 800 international units, but experts suggest higher doses, especially for those at risk of deficiency. Range could go from 5,000 to 10,000 units. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3s, particularly DHA. Plant-based sources include flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or consider a daily high-quality fish oil supplement that provides around 1,000 milligrams of combined DHA and EPA. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, nuts, and seeds. You can also find magnesium in beans, avocados, and dark chocolate. The recommended daily supplementation for adults is 310 to 420 milligrams, depending on age and gender. Folate is abundant in leafy greens, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Foods like spinach, kale, lentils, and chickpeas are particularly high in folate. The recommended daily supplementation is 400 micrograms for adults, with higher needs during pregnancy. Iron can be found in red meat, poultry, fish, lentils, beans, and spinach. To improve iron absorption, combine iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich foods like lemons or bell peppers. The daily recommended supplementation is 8 to 18 milligrams, depending on age, gender, and life stage. In conclusion, nutrient deficiencies, often stemming from conditions like low stomach acid, can have a profound impact on brain health, potentially leading to cognitive decline and dementia. Hypochlorhydria, or low stomach acid, impairs the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, even from a balanced diet, increasing the risk of deficiencies in critical nutrients such as vitamin B12, vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, folate, and iron. Each of these nutrients plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function and preventing dementia. For instance, vitamin B12 supports healthy nerve cells, while omega-3 fatty acids protect brain cell structure. Ensuring adequate intake of these nutrients through a diet rich in animal products, fatty fish, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and supplements when necessary, is essential for preserving brain health and reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.